Welcome to Green Crafts. Today we are crocheting these cute Easter eggs that you've seen in our 3 Easter baskets. For this project we're using a run-weight cotton yarn and the size E or 3.5mm hook. With this yarn and hook size, the finished eggs will be about 2.4 inches tall or approximately 6 centimeters. Start by making a magic ring. Leave a slightly longer yarn tail so the ring doesn't come undone while you're crocheting into it. Wrap the yarn once around your middle finger and hold it in place with your thumb. Insert your hook under the first loop, then use the hook to pull the second loop through the first. This forms your ring. Chain 1, then work 8 single crochets into the ring. This is the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one. Now tighten the magic ring by pulling the yarn tail. Then close the round with a slip stitch. We've marked the stitch where the slip stitch should go with the blue yarn needle. Insert your hook into the marked stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Then pull that loop straight through the loop on your hook to complete the slip stitch. For round 2, chain 1. Make an increase in the first stitch, that means working 2 single crochets into the same stitch. One and 2. Make an increase in each of the remaining 7 stitches around. The second increase. Third increase, and so on. When you reach the end of the round, close it with a slip stitch. Round 3. Chain 1 and work 1 single crochet into each stitch around, 16 single crochets in total. Join with a slip stitch. For round 4, begin with the chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then an increase in the next stitch, that means 2 single crochets in that stitch. You can see which stitch has the single crochet and which one has the increase. Repeat this sequence 7 more times. By the end of the round you should have 24 stitches. Finish the round with a slip stitch. For rounds 5 through 9, start each round with a chain 1, then work 1 single crochet into each stitch around. You should have 24 stitches in total. Finish each round with a slip stitch. You can pause the video here, and once you've finished round 9, we'll continue with round 10. The first 9 rounds are finished, and this is how the egg looks now. If you lost track, you can easily count the rounds: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In round 10, we start decreasing. Begin with the chain 1, then work 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now make an invisible decrease using only the front loops. This is the front loop of the stitch, and this is the back loop. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Then into the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over, and you'll have 4 loops on your hook. Then pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That completes the invisible decrease. This is the next stitch you'll crochet into. Repeat this sequence, 4 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease, 3 more times. At the end of the round, you should have 20 stitches. Finish the round with a slip stitch. For round 11, chain 1, then work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. 20 stitches in total. Close the round with a slip stitch. For round 12, start with a chain 1. Work 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then make an invisible decrease using only the front loops of the next 2 stitches. In this round, you'll repeat the sequence of 3 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease 4 times. By the end of the round, you should have 16 stitches. Finish the round with a slip stitch. Round 13. Chain 1, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, and 2. Make an invisible decrease, working only in the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Repeat 2 single crochets and 1 decrease 4 times, totaling 12 stitches. Join the round with a slip stitch. This is how the egg should look at the end of the round. Loosen your loop and set the hook aside. It's time to stuff the egg. We are using fiber fill, the kind commonly used for crochet toys, but you can also use leftover yarn ends. They work well for this. Stuff the egg firmly. Using your hands, gently reshape the egg. The next round will be the last one, round 14. Tighten the loop and reinsert your hook. While working this round, hold the fiber fill down with your finger so it doesn't get caught in the stitches. Chain 1. Make 1 single crochet. Then an invisible decrease. Continue alternating 1 single crochet and 1 invisible decrease around. At the end of the round, you should have 8 stitches. To join with a slip stitch, insert your hook here. Now loosen the loop and cut the yarn. Thread the yarn tail onto a needle and insert the needle through the front loops of each stitch. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Using the handle of your crochet hook, gently tuck the stuffing inside. Pull the yarn tight to close the hole. Insert the needle into the center, pull the yarn tail through the egg, and cut the excess yarn. Finally, reshape the egg with your hands so the stuffing settles inside. Your egg is finished. Have a blessed Easter! Don't forget to visit our stores on Etsy and Crazy Patterns, where you can find our easy-to-follow written instructions with step-by-step photos to help you make beautiful home decor items and toys.